All forms of affection are just to soothe the bites.
Touching me. She's touching me.
I'm not touching you.
You're touching me.
Not touching.
Touching me.
With that vibe, gotta say this boy is born being a boss already.
This cat takes the dog's bed and she just lay on the corner of it because she is not going to tell him to move.
With no wash, like 360 degrees.
Being the most powerful comes with perks, like lounging around all day.
Over here, the windows, even.
Can I pet you, my best friend? Come on now. Let me pet you. Ah! Grab it. Oh! You say, ah!
Corgi can be silly, but he must know who is the superior.
Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Meow. Don't. Bird.
Such a classic match, and yet which cat's better still remains a mystery.
It's okay.
That gaze speaks a lot. You aren't on the same level as him.
Is it just me, or has anybody ever had to explain to somebody that no, I wasn't a cutter, I don't cut myself, but the scars on my arms are because I have two furry little assholes that don't know the difference between playtime and a fight to the death?